see what's in the box today. Oh, let's get in position. So yeah, this new box came in just recently. And it's got a bit of info on the back here. But I always love when there's a new case arrives. So look what's in the box. The diagram here for the quadcopter. The Taycan C25 MK2. Excellent. Let's keep an eye on that stuff. And then it's quite a big bag of goodies here. A load of things. Wow. So service info and data there. Handy little card. Oh, there's more stuff. Okay. So there's your handy dandy all-in-one member stack situation. And a little card, and a code, and the wiring loom, more wiring looms, antennas, plastic battery mount straps, the propellers, and they are ducted propellers. I'm guessing they're a gem fan, but they're flash ducted. Got a nice USB cable here. This looks brand new. USB-C, 24 karat, gold plated. We also get a new Mr. Power cable set, very handy. And some under fan ducting, which could be very interesting. So let's have a look what we got here. Say what? Whoa, this thing is okay. This thing is cool. I've never had my eyes on it yet, so hands on. It's got the TVS mounted. It's got the VTX in the back there for digital. Wow. Pretty solid. Not much flex. Yes. Solid frame, isn't it? Good after the motors. The Toka 4000 kV, 1404. Crazy. Look at that, there's another whole frame. Oh, you get the ducted frame and the non-ducted frame. So this one here, it's got no holes in it. This one here has got the holes in it. A little bit there through. Got a little stabilised mount there. That's amazing. Really impressed with it so far. Oh, sorry for the jiggle. That looks so cool. I wonder if you guys can get that cool full effect of how choice it is. The light's better down there. So I got the Visti in the back and nice camera up front, the proper DJI one. Got the good crossfire in there somewhere, which I'll have to take a nosy at. But yeah, it's the Taycan 2.5 Mark II. Very impressed. Call it the C25 they call it. Yeah, comes with the two frames. The ones with the holes and the ones without. Now, what's this? It's a bit of a double banger, I suppose. But this is something cool that you can add on to this package when you get it. So, if that's going to focus. The peanut. So, I haven't bought a new camera for a long time. So I thought it might be interesting to have a look at what these are about. So let's have a look in the box. Holy cow, it's small as. Wow. Okie dokie. So you get your booklet, you get your stuff. Whoa, you get a couple of cool little lenses with it. Polar lenses. And ND filters. That's a charge lead. Power cable. Not sure. Maybe that's the battery. I don't know. Whoa. Cool. Get a little mount and everything on it. That's pretty cool. In the box. Okay, that's cool. See that? Little 3D. Well, it's not 3D printed. It's a hard plastic, sort of a resiny, which I definitely will put straight onto the drone if it's made for it. Oh, okay. So yeah, guess it just flips on there like that. Little spaces there or something, is it? Okay, back to the box. Whoa, this is tiny. Man, I don't want to squash it, it's so small. Okay, here we go. Look at it. Look at my thumb. I don't believe that. Yeah. My fat thumb, and it's fat. It's... What the... This is what they're all raving about. How are they getting that super footage out of that? It's... Man, this could be a cool little camera. This is the size of my thumb. Far out. Okay. And yeah, like I said, it's got these little filters that come with it. What are they with? Oh! Oh, cool. Oh, I guess you just unscrew them and pop them on top. So maybe they just screw on. I haven't figured it out yet. Once I open her up and get a good look at it, then I'll know what I'm dealing with. But for the moment, it's just an unboxing, really. Wow, that's cool. Next one, let me see the mount thing. I might as well take the plastic off because who wants the plastic casing on? No, I normally always leave my plastics on to the last minute if I can. Always saves your cameras. These weird plastic things, like super. It's like heat shrink, but not heat shrink. Whoa. Got it. There's more still. So, only one button on the front of it. I don't even know if that's a button, but whoa, yeah. Just pop straight to the mount like that. Sorry, my light's not good up close. It's a little bit, feels a little bit sloppy in the mount at the back. You know, like, let's say you'd want a rubber band around it to hold it in place or something. Well, once you get the grip on down here though, it seems to tighten it up. I don't want it to fall out now. But it does when it's just like that, so it just pop out. These are the things we'll find out, aren't we? It just pops out straight away there. Okay. Like that, I suppose. A little anti-vibration thing going on. Yeah, it's you can see it jiggle a little, but if you give it tiny little, it's not bad. Proof is in the pudding, I suppose. Once we get some footage going. Okie dokie. Well, this is just my little unboxing review of the Taycan C25 MK2. Comes with a Caddx peanut if you choose, and it also you can upgrade it to the DJI Vista system if you choose. I'm flying HD now for most of my indoor stuff, and that's where I'm heading with these little fun ones. And should be a good upgrade from this one over here, the Mark 1 version that I've been using, having great fun with. So thanks very much for watching, guys, and hopefully we get some footage soon.